Welcome back to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated on all the latest Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Just a reminder that this video reflects my personal experience with the tool. Savology is a comprehensive financial planning platform designed to help you take control of your finances. It's a one-stop shop for everything from budgeting and investing to retirement planning and insurance. Savology guides you through a personalized financial roadmap, providing tailored recommendations and actionable steps. This platform stands out due to its holistic approach, considering various aspects of your financial life to create a cohesive plan. The platform begins by assessing your current financial situation. You'll answer questions about your income, expenses, debts, and assets. This information helps Savology create a personalized financial plan tailored to your specific needs and goals. After gathering your financial data, Savology generates a detailed report highlighting your financial strengths and weaknesses. It then offers personalized advice and recommendations to improve your financial health. These recommendations cover a wide range of financial topics, such as budgeting, saving, investing, debt management, and insurance. One of Savology's key features is its interactive dashboard. This dashboard allows you to track your progress, monitor your net worth, and visualize your financial goals. You can also use the dashboard to explore different financial scenarios and see how various decisions might impact your future. Savology offers a variety of educational resources to help you improve your financial literacy. These resources include articles, videos, and tools covering various personal finance topics. The platform also provides access to financial advisors who can offer personalized guidance and support. Savology recognizes that financial planning isn't a one-size-fits-all endeavor. That's why it offers customizable plans that can be adjusted as your financial situation evolves. Whether you're just starting or well on your way to financial independence, Savology can provide the tools and resources you need to succeed. By integrating numerous financial tools and resources into a single platform, Savology simplifies the often complex process of financial planning. This makes it easier for you to stay organized, make informed decisions, and achieve your financial objectives. With its user-friendly interface and personalized recommendations, Savology empowers you to take control of your finances and build a secure financial future.